Hello and welcome to your release preview video where we will be discussing communication updates, and these will be released on March 15th, and you'll probably see them the next time you log into the system, which will most likely be that Monday morning, which is March 16th. So to begin with our communications video, let's start with discussions, which we can view by clicking the message bubble right up at the top. And with discussions, we've added the ability, so if I click on a discussion, I can now add a label by clicking the tag up at the very top and choosing to add a label. Here I can type anything that I feel is going to be helpful for me to manage with this discussion. So for instance, if I feel this needs a video demonstration, then I can add a label, choose my color here, and then click Save to save the label, and choose Close. Once I have the label, if I want to pertain this label to the discussion, all I have to do is click the label again, click the label from the list, and you'll see that label added to the discussion here. So if I refresh my list, you'll see the label added to the discussion over on the left-hand side. We can do this for as many discussions as we need. If I click the discussion label, you'll see that same label available for me to select and add to that particular discussion. If you need to remove the label, you can do so by clicking the X button to remove. Apart from discussions, we've also separated Buzz as its own separate icon at the top of Striven, as you can see here represented by the newspaper icon. If I click that icon, I'll be brought to the Buzz page where I can see all the new Buzz posts. Along with separating Buzz out into its own separate icon to make Buzz notifications more visible to users, we're also adding the ability to manage the audience of a particular Buzz post. To do this, click Create New Post, and here you can begin to add your title, write your content, but over here we've added an audience section. By default, all employees will be selected on. By removing that checkbox, you can begin to add an individual employee, a team, a division, or a job title, and any employee within the team, job title, or division will be able to see the Buzz post and will be notified of a new Buzz post. If you do want to keep this to all employees, however, you can keep that checkbox on, and as you add the Buzz post, all employees will be notified and be able to view the Buzz post as desired. Now, along with Buzz and discussions, let's talk about printable format and what we've added to printable formats in our system. So to view printable formats, let's click Company and Settings. And then we can view our printable formats by either toggling Accounting and viewing the printable formats underneath Invoices, Sales Orders, or POs, or we can type in Formats in the search bar and choose any format that is highlighted in green. Now the new merge fields for printable formats that we've added pertain to AR formats, which would be credit memo, invoices, sales orders, and sales receipts. To demonstrate these new merge fields, however, I'm going to use the sales order format as our example. To view and begin adding these new merge fields, just click into a printable format inside of your system and choose the Content section, and underneath the Merge Field dropdown, we'll begin viewing and adding these new merge fields to our printable format if we feel they add a benefit to our customers. And in these merge fields listing, we've added 6 new merge fields, which you can add to your printable formats. And as we scroll down, we can view what they are. First, we've added sales rep information pertaining to a sales order, which are the order sales rep, the order sales rep email, and phone number. We've also added primary contact information, which is the primary contact email, their full name, and their phone number, which can be added just by clicking the merge field name, and the merge field will be added to the format as we can see here. And just so you're aware, the primary contact email, phone, and full name are available on all AR printable formats, and once again those are credit memos, sales receipts, sales orders, and invoices. The order sales rep information, like their name, email, and phone number, are only available on the order printable format. And then we're adding 2 available columns in the item sections, once again for all AR formats. So if I click the item section, we have available columns here, and the new ones that we've added are inventory location and class. So if you're tracking financial classes, you can add the class to show the customer the class at the line item level. And those can be added just by clicking the arrow, and they'll be added to the selected columns over here, and you can change the names of each of them if you desire. And that is all the updates pertaining to communications that are coming out with our March release, which is once again scheduled for March 15th, 2020.